Ever wondered if you could build your own Gemini, a digital doppelganger of Google's cutting-edge AI? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating and complex world of creating a Gemini clone, exploring the how while squarely facing the should we and the can we legally. Step 1 in this ambitious endeavor is understanding Gemini's architecture. This involves meticulous reverse engineering a circumflex euros, dissecting its publicly available behaviors, its capabilities, and inferring how it's put together without direct access to its proprietary code. Next comes acquiring and preparing a colossal dataset. Training an AI as powerful as Gemini requires vast amounts of text, code, and potentially other modalities. The quality and diversity of this data are paramount for a successful replica. Then we move to model training, a computationally intensive and time-consuming process. This involves feeding the prepared data into a specially designed neural network architecture that mirrors Gemini's inferred structure, allowing it to learn and adapt. However, let's not gloss over the critical ethical considerations. Attempting to clone a proprietary AI raises serious questions about intellectual property rights, fair use, and the potential for misuse of such powerful technology. Legally, this path is fraught with peril. Google's Gemini is protected by patents and copyrights. Replicating its core functionality without authorization could lead to severe legal repercussions, including lawsuits and significant financial penalties. Ultimately, while the technical challenges of cloning an AI like Gemini are immense, the ethical and legal hurdles are often even more formidable, demanding careful consideration before embarking on such a path.